Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Dcash Gaming, and today we're going to be looking at how to install CM/M. Don't know what that means. It's a porting operating system for like 1983, but some people still want to run that in virtual software. So I figured why not put it out here. So you're going to go to the link I'm going to post in the description. You're going to click this, download. See, I've used my 3 minutes or 3 of my 25 downloads, or if you go here, that's how I got, so I don't have to use up all my downloads. And then, so I'm going to give you guys this link. I'm going to minimize that, and then once you get into here, let me close that out here. Basically, here's how you guys are going to do it. You're going to hit new. I'm just going 86 YouTube. That's what I'm calling it. You guys can just have that name right there. You're gonna click other DOS, create virtual hard disk, create, and then you don't change this file size. It's only preset at 500 megabytes. You don't need that, but I'm just gonna keep it like that because I'm just gonna probably end up deleting this anyways. So then you're gonna do hit start. First I actually have to do something here. So basically, if you use the file, like let's say another one. You're going to have to remove. So you're going to right click, remove, X out of that. Okay, so now you're going to go to settings, storage, empty. You're actually going to click this, choose disk. I'm going to go to downloads, click that file. Once you get it unzipped by the WinRAR, I put it in my downloads folder. You really don't care. Just as long as you can find it. You're going to click that, open, so now it's in there. I personally found issues if you don't delete that. It could be different because I'm an older VM, because my computer can't handle the other ones, the newer ones. So you're going to click OK, start, and then, okay. So here's what you do. You hit F12, and it automatically does all this here. It's going to automatically run all this. Read and track, all this, and then type in your commands. I don't know many commands for this. So, yeah, thank you all for watching. I think hopefully this helped you out just a little bit here. And until next time, you all have a good one.